Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok sound removed or muted. So guys, this happens when you make a post on your profile that is actually using a audio track that violates the copyright laws inside of TikTok. So basically you can't use the songs or sounds that are copyright protected. So if you already made a post, for example, you can just upload it again. So you just press on the plus and choose the video. Okay, and now click on next. Okay, in here where you see your video, just press on add sound. And guys, as you can see, you can just choose the copyright free sounds within the app, or you can just press on search and just search for any song that you want. Then it will get applied to your video and then you can freely and safely upload it. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.